Are you looking for an AI tool to create visually stunning flowcharts and diagrams like these for your next presentation just by providing text content? In this video, we are going to explore an absolutely free AI tool that will convert your text content and data points into amazingly styled visuals that can be edited and exported in various formats to be used for presentations, social media posts and marketing, blog posts, and much more. To get started, enter Napkin AI in address bar of the browser. Once you reach the homepage of Napkin AI, click on Sign In. You can sign in using Google or sign up with email ID and password. To create your first napkin, click on New Napkin button. You can either draft text content for your visuals using AI, if you want AI prompt to generate text content for your visuals, or select blank napkin if you are ready with your text content. Here we will proceed with AI prompt to generate text content on our topic. Our topic for this video is how to start a blog. So we will enter it in the input field and click on continue. AI will start generating point-based content for your topic. Let's wait for AI to finish writing the content. Scroll down to review all the generated content. Check if the generated content is accurate and correct. If needed, you can also edit, add, or remove the content. For me, the content that is generated by AI prompt looks good, and I will proceed with these data points to generate the visual. To generate the visuals, start selecting the text content and data points that you want to be the part of generated visual. I am selecting all the 7 points, as I wanted all points to be included in the visuals. After selecting the content, click on the blue spark icon on the left-hand side of the text. Once you click on it, Napkin AI will start scanning the selected text content and will include these in the visuals. And here it is. Wow! Just look at the generated visuals. Isn't it amazing to generate such styled visuals along with integrated data points, icons, and vibrant colors just by providing few lines of text? Hover over all the available styled variants for the visuals, and once you decided to proceed with any style option of your choice, select it. After selecting a style option, you will be provided with various color themes and fonts options to choose from. Choose the one that is best suited according to your domain. Generated visuals can also be edited before exporting them. Now we will see how to edit texts, fonts, colors, and icons of the generated visual. To edit a particular element of the generated visual, click on it. Once you click on it, you will be provided with a dialog box. The first option is to change the font family. Select the font family that is best suited according to your brand theme. The second option in the dialog box is to make the text bold. Enable it for bolder text content. The third option in the dialog box is to change the font size of the text. Font size can be small, medium, large, and extra large. The fourth option is to set the alignment of text, both horizontally and vertically. The fifth option is to change the color of the text. Various color options are available. Choose the one that best suits your brand theme and design. The sixth option in the dialog box is for design elements to wrap the text. Include the elements around the text according to your design if needed. The last option is of Spark Search and Suggestions. Spark Search can be used to include or replace various brand icons in the generated visual. The best part is it will suggest you various icons based on text content. Choose the one that is most relevant to you. As you can see, if I click on Design Blog and then open the Spark Suggestions, it will suggest me the icons that are related to designing. Click on any available icon to replace the existing one. You can explore various editing options available at the bottom of the visual. The first option is Spark Search. In case you want to add additional icons apart from the existing ones, try a search here. And if the icon that you're looking for is available, click on it to be included in the visual and then drag it to the desired place. The next option in the bottom panel is of Label, in case you want to add a label text anywhere in the visual. Select the label, enter your text content, and then drag it to the position where you want it to be placed within the generated visual. The next option in the bottom panel is Sketch, that can be used to draw any kind of shapes anywhere within the generated visual. It could be oval, straight line, circular. Once you will draw a shape, Napkin AI will suggest various matching shapes that can be included in the visual just by clicking on it. The last option in the bottom panel is to include images within the generated visual. You can upload external images from your device also, or just copy the image and paste here. Now the final step is to export the visual generated by Napkin AI. But before exporting the visual, there are a few other features of Napkin AI that we are going to discuss now. You can change the background of entire visual using this dialog box. On the right top corner of the visual, you will find this dialog box that will be used to export the visual. Once you are done with the background of the visual, you can also change the aspect ratio of the generated visual. You can set the aspect ratio to be landscape, portrait, or square 1:1. The last option is to update the style and theme. You get the option to select from all the available styles for this design. Choose the one that you like the most. Once you are done with background color and aspect ratio, click on the download icon on the right top corner. You can export the visual in PNG, SVG, and PDF format. Before exporting, you can also set the color mode. Remove the background to be transparent and choose the resolution of the visual. Click on the download button at the bottom right corner to download the visual locally. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. It motivates us to bring such informative videos on free AI tools for you.